Hi everybody, here's a quick video to show you how to create and edit a lead in WorksIQ CRM. So I click on Leads in the menu bar, then on the Create New button, and for now I'm just going to enter a name and some basic contact details and a brief description of the lead. Click Save and you'll see that you've added your first lead. You can edit the lead at any time simply by clicking on the Edit button. So now let's look at some of the other fields in the lead record. We have 4 fields here which are useful for tracking your leads from a marketing perspective. Source we typically use for saying where the lead came from, for example from a trade show, and we can use this in conjunction with the campaign drop down if it relates to a specific campaign, for example a specific trade show. Type we generally use for the type of inquiry, and product we use for the product or services that you're selling. Now all of these drop downs are configurable in the admin section. Over on the right hand side we have fields to describe how much the deal is worth and what stage it is at. We use this information for managing our sales pipeline and sales forecasting. So say for this example we've sent out a proposal already and we think we have a 50-50 chance of winning the deal, and the deal is worth 5,000 and we hope to close it, or expect to close it, by the end of the month. I also want to tick this one and mark it as being an opportunity that I want to include in my sales forecast. Finally, I just want to talk about the next action and next action field. To keep your deals moving, it's good practice to document what you intend to do next with this lead. If you can't think of a next action, then chances are your deal's probably going to go cold. So enter a next action and the date that you're going to do it. Click Save and your changes are made. Now just to point out, if on your system you have the wrong currency symbol, or if on your system you have the wrong time because you're in a different time zone, then both the currency and time zones can be set in the admin section. Okay, so as I progress this deal, I can record notes against the lead by clicking on the Create History button. I can type my notes, I can update the next action if I want to, and click Save. You'll see my notes now down in the history area. All your notes are time-stamped and you can see who made those notes. From this history area you can also upload attachments, so if you wanted to store a copy of your proposal you can simply click Create History, select Attachment, choose the file that you want to attach and attach it. You can store some notes against this to indicate what the attachment is. When you click on Save, you'll see a little paperclip icon which you can click on and get a copy of your attachment. You can also set a reminder by clicking on the Create Follow-up button. In here I can type notes to describe what the reminder is, and set a date and time for the reminder to go out. You can also set reminders for other people in your team. When the reminder becomes overdue, and I've set this one to go overdue automatically, you'll see the reminder pop up in the watch area. You can expand the reminder to get the details, and if you click on the reminder, it'll bring you back to this record. You can view all of your leads by just clicking on the Leads button. This gives you a list of all the leads in your system. You can show and hide columns. You can sort on columns and export your list of leads to a spreadsheet. You'll see we have tabs up the top here to help you organize your leads. And by using the advanced search, you can create your own tabs. So for example, if I just wanted a list of all my active office cleaning leads, I can do a search and save that as a new tab. I can also search for leads over here, to find a specific lead in the system. I hope that helps you get started. Just email support@worksiq.com if you have any questions.